Hello YouTubers, welcome back to another one. Big thank you for the 18,500 subscribers and thanks for all your lovely comments on the last video. We are currently going out to a gentleman near Blithfield Reservoir who has somehow got his vehicle a little bit stuck on one of the tracks. I'm not 100% sure where he is, but he said he was standing out by the road. So I'm just keeping my eyes out now, and he said he's going to have to open up the gate. If he's not on this side, I'm guessing... Oh, he is there. There he is, that's the man. Afternoon! Alright. Other side, do you want to jump in? I'll tell you, you got to open up the gate first. Right, oh cool. No problem. Well, that's that. Oof. Bloody hell. Oh my god, what an access point. I'll just make some room for you. At least the weather's all right, eh? Ah! You jump yourself in there, there's a little step on the floor as well. Fine, thank you. Manage?
Yep, sure.
Oh dear.
So the track's fine and dry.
Okie dokie.
All the way up to where it occurred.
Okay. Is there anywhere for me to kind of turn around up there, or...?
There will be if you...
Ish. Play it by ear, eh?
Yeah, you should be able to get round me if you need to, need to do it from the front. But I'm just a bit concerned because there's like a little ditch at the side, and I was trying to ride up.
Get all these here.
I know. I think if the farmer come to feed them.
Bloody hell. Jesus. Oh my lord.
Obviously, used to it, aren't they?
Jesus, yeah, must be a bit hungry, eh? Want some biscuits or bread or something?
Investigate me before now.
Jesus. So it looks like you're taking pictures, some good photography, I'm guessing.
Yeah, it's good for bird life around here.
No way.
Yeah, that's my hobby.
Oh, fair play.
But I've got it's so staffs own this, but the West Midland Bird Club issue permits.
No way.
To members, yeah.
Oh, well, that's good. Well, there's no places like this on the doorstep, is there? Lovely place.
No, well, I live in Kings Norton, south of Birmingham. So
oh wow.
It's a bit of a jaunt up here.
Oh right.
Yeah, it's a good place to come.
As long as you had a good day out and got some good shots, eh?
Well.
Wow.
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah, it's good that you've got access for stuff like this, though, isn't it, really?
Yeah, because you can have the place to yourself a lot of the time.
Oh, yes.
It's a good place to come and unwind. Right?
Oh, definitely.
There's loads of swallows along here, just before this happened.
Right.
I was photographing some out of the window of the car, just on the barbed wire. Some young ones, and the parents were coming feeding them.
Oh, wow. And, yeah, we've had some jobs on the other side before, you see, but because the ranger, he won't be coming down these neck of the woods unnecessarily, like, but they sometimes patrol on the other side for like where the ice cream bit is,
where the sailing,
in the sailing, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, now when you was it you spoke to on the phone?
Yeah, that was me, yeah.
Yeah,
when I'd come out to you.
I wasn't sure about the ranger, but then I guessed it probably is more to do with that side, which gets the more visitors.
Yeah, but they do try a little bit themselves, but they've obviously then called us out previously, the rangers, when something's a little bit too complex, and then they don't want to get involved with it. So
risk damaging the vehicle.
Exactly. And you have got to know what you're doing with certain jobs as well, so otherwise it can soon be a little bit of a disaster.
Oh, go on, up and over. Crap. Uh-oh. Fuck me. You have to be kidding me.
Press on
Jesus.
Shouldn't have done.
Ah, yeah, you have to hold on a little bit. It's a little bit bumpy, this one.
We're nearly there anyway.
Oh dear.
But yeah, it's all dry, but there's just one bit there where there's a couple of furrows, and of course they've stayed wet and they're deeper. And I came to a standstill, so I thought, oh, I'll just go up on the raised bit. But then I didn't realise there was a little ditch to the left.
It is what it is.
The front end sort of dropped in there with the weight down on it, so there was no way out.
No, understandable.
Didn't even try putting a mat underneath.
No, sometimes it's just not worth the risk.
Well, it's awkward to get to, and I don't think
No, I've seen it many a time with carpets, pieces of wood, twigs, all sorts. You had all the sheep as well, eh?
I still can't see them today. They're usually around this bit.
Oh, well, they've got plenty of grass anyway, haven't they?
Yeah. No, there's some of the swallows on there.
Oh, well, yeah. Jesus, tiny things.
Yeah, they're youngsters.
Oh, you were doing a bit of off-roading today as well, eh? Oh dear. Hey.
Yeah, I think I'll bet.
Is that your car all the way down there? I think.
Charlie.
I'm guessing that's the way out we're both going, is back down there, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So what?
It gets worse further on.
Right, fair enough.
But there is a place where you can normally turn round on.
Yeah. So I'll probably try and bring you up backwards more than likely.
Yeah.
But we'll play it by ear.
I was wondering if I'm actually, because it lurched down quite a bit.
Quite a bit.
Yeah. I'm wondering if I'm going to actually be in contact.
Okay, so it'll be a little bit bumpy by the looks of it. So hold on to that camera.
I didn't know whether you'd need to sort of jack it up in some way. You got like a hydraulic.
Yeah, we have got jacks and stuff.
You'll know anyway.
Yeah.
I'd rather it not do any damage to the underside, obviously.
No, of course. Right, if you want to stay here, I'm just going to go and have a little wander before I get committed.
Okay, yeah.
You just stay put.
Just going to pop the car open, or?
No, it's alright, just as it is. I'll come back to you in a sec.
Yeah.
Right, let's do a little walk down. This is plenty dry enough here. Plenty dry enough. What a lovely place. Yeah, nice and dry, nice and dry. We've got tow bar straight there. Oh, I think she's coming straight back as she is. As she was. Let's have a look at the other dreaded side. And yes, we're down a little bit of a ravine, which is about a foot deep. But yeah, the way she's gone in is going to be the way she's going out, as far as I'm aware. And I'm going to say winching on this one for a little bit more control. Pulling it forwards is an option, but I don't want that to scrape any more than it needs. So let's go backwards. I'm going to set up a camera on the ground and literally going to hook up on the back and just pull it straight backwards. Let's get this party started. I can't believe you walked all this track. Just watch this. Well, it's one of them things. It'd be rude not to get a nice photo, seeing as I'm behind the scenes, eh? Right, let's get this fired up. I don't know if you want to just stand on this side behind my, behind my camera, just in case if it goes ping. Yeah, behind my camera, just in case if it goes ping. Okay. I'm going to give it a little drive myself so I can get you back there. So, yeah, I'll yeah. Behind her now. There we go. Not always, but it normally makes sense. Wait for him to get back a bit more. because when I'm going, I ain't stopping. Right, that should hopefully be the home run. No problem. Yeah, just remember this bit of a gradient we're on. But yeah, when you're going, just kind of keep going like many a times. Yeah, fair enough. I'll see you on the other side shortly. If there's any issues, I'll be right behind you. Oh well, there we go. But what an absolute beautiful spot. What an absolute beautiful spot. I want to get them geese in. Gorgeous. Spot. What an absolute beautiful spot. I want to get them geese in. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh well, nice simple job for some of you out there. I'd have pulled up with me Citroen Saxo 1.6 VTS, mate. But how did he get all the way down here? Fair play, fair play. But be rude not to get a couple of pictures whilst we're here. Right, going to turn you off now. Oh, there's a geese coming past. We'll get the old geese in the background. Oh yes. Oh yes. Right, see you soon. Hello, how you doing? Hello. Go on then. Come on.
You're professional.
It's alright, it's no problem at all. At least the job's done and you're out. Saves you camping there all night, doesn't it? Oh dear. Yeah, jet them wheels off. Just be careful obviously when you drive that little bit, because might have a bit of mud in the calipers and in the brakes. Yeah, I think you'll probably be fine. It's literally probably more just beached itself.
It's not like
no, there's no big rocks or anything in that. I think you'll be fine, but if just obviously just be steady. If something does feel a little bit off, then obviously just stop and give me a ring back like. But I'm sure you'll be absolutely fine with that. Yeah, maybe a sliver, but honestly it's very soft that was up there. And the speed you're probably going is not much at all anyway. Nah, I'm sure you'll be absolutely fine. Right, that's that, and that. Yeah, I've got a tyre job to do now. So back to lovely Stafford we go. Right, sorted. There we go. Yeah, well hopefully not, but if you do, by all means give us a ring. No problem, take care. See you later. Right, let's go. Okay, so a little debrief on that job. It's pretty straightforward, that, as you've seen. Just with knowledge in most jobs that you go out to, whatever kind of goes in kind of comes out the way it went in most of the time, but not always. But to try and minimise damage, the hole that's already been created or the verge, bring it out the way it's come in. But like I say, not for every single job. Every job is different, no day is ever the same. Hopefully that was quick enough for some of you on the old internet sitting in your sofa watching me, whilst I'm probably already on another job whilst you're watching this video right now. I could have tow roped it back with the customer sitting inside, but I didn't want to take that risk, just from being an elderly gentleman, and you know, I kind of say no more. So winching it, I can watch it, see it, stop, pause, whatever, repeat. But that's it, that's a wrap. That's another one done for the Land Rover Discovery on the all-terrain tyres. And hopefully he got a couple of good shots on his camera as well from a lovely bit of bird watching. Right, shooting back now because I have another job at the DVSA in Doxey, Stafford waiting for me. So as soon as I get back, swap vehicles and go and fit a tyre. If you like what you see, guys, you already know what to do. Like and subscribe, drop me a little comment, give the post a little share, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thanks for watching, Mr. GDB, over now. Okay, let's go.